Today, I'm starting my Chocolate Everything video series, and first of the bat is chocolate eclairs. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pastry Warden. My name is Chef Andre Ward, and today, you've asked for it, we're going to start with chocolate eclairs. Chocolate eclairs are so versatile, you can basically fill them with everything. But today, we're going to stick with chocolate because that's what this video series is about. Let's dive right into the first part. I'm excited, I hope you are too. Let's start by making the pate choux. In a sauce pot, bring the milk, butter, salt, and sugar to a boil. Turn off the heat and add your sifted flour. Mix the flour first with a whisk and then move to a wooden spoon, or in this case, a rubber spatula. Turn the heat back on to medium and cook and stir vigorously for 1 minute. The dough should come together like almost into a ball. Turn off the heat and transfer the dough to a mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. If you do not have an electric mixer, you can simply put the dough inside of a bowl and do the next step by hand. Turn the mixer on low and allow the dough to cool some. Begin adding eggs a little at a time in 3 or 4 additions, only until the previous addition has been fully incorporated. The final dough should be smooth, shiny, and forms a V shape at the end of the paddle. If this does not happen, then simply heat some milk inside of a microwave and add it to it slowly until you reach the proper consistency and texture and shine. Heated milk works. It works. That's right, heated milk works. If only people just know heated milk, it works. That's all I gotta say about it. Give me a second, please. Fill a piping bag with the star tip. A good tip is to mark the parchment that you're baking on with dots so it will help guide you when piping your eclairs. See how easy that is? Take the guesswork out of everything. That way when you pipe your eclairs, you won't have a S or C or you just do it because who wants a curvy eclair? Flip the parchment over and pipe your eclairs using the marks that you made on the other side. Once the eclairs are piped, bake them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. Once the eclairs have set, lower the oven temperature to 350 degrees. Slightly crack the door of the oven open. This will help the eclairs dry out and hold its form and shape. The end texture to the eclairs should be a nice crisp shell on the outside and a nice hollow but soft interior. Now let's get started on the exciting part, the chocolate filling, which is pretty much cream patisserie, but we're gonna make it into a chocolate pastry cream, okay? Add the milk and butter to a pot and bring to a boil. In a separate bowl, mix together the cornstarch, cocoa powder, sugar, and egg yolks until smooth. When the milk has come to a boil, remove it from the stove and temper the egg yolk mixture by adding a little at a time, mixing together. Pour everything back into the pot, place back on the stove, and stir until the mixture comes to a boil and the starch is cooked. This mixture thicken up really nice and should be very chocolatey. Is there such word as chocolatey? I keep saying chocolatey. Is there any such word? Does anybody know? Turn off the heat and add your delicious chocolate coins. That's right, delicious chocolate coins. You can use any kind of chocolate you like, milk chocolate, dark couverture chocolate, 70%, 64%, 58%. Right here I'm using 58% couverture chocolate because it's somewhere between bitter and sweet, and I just love that combination. That's right. Pour the chocolate pastry cream onto a tray with plastic wrap. Cover directly with more plastic wrap and place in the freezer for 10 minutes. Doing this step will prevent any bacteria from forming on your pastry cream because remember, it has moisture, it has eggs in it, it has everything that will grow bacteria. And I'm saying too much. Just do what I said. I'm not gonna say anymore. Put it in the freezer for 10 minutes minimum, and then transfer into the refrigerator. And here's one of the exciting parts that everyone's been waiting for. Now it's time to start on the toppings and the garnishes. To make the ganache topping, bring the milk and cream to a boil. Pour over chocolate coins and mix well. Add the softened butter and mix until everything is combined. Cover the chocolate ganache with plastic and reserve it to the side. Now it's time for some pretty stuff. This is for you, the ladies, because I know y'all like everything nice and shiny. Why is that? Right here I'm decorating toasted Marcona almonds with gold luster mixed with part raspberry vodka and edible gold luster dust. Place the almonds inside of the mixture, swirl them around a bit, place them on a surface, and coat them with a brush with a final gold luster coating. Shiny stuff. Should be real shiny. That's right. Once y'all finish doing all this shiny stuff and decorating almonds and whatever you're gonna do, and glitter and the color of the rainbow, stuff like that, time to fill these fat daddies. I like to call them fat daddies because they're fat and I'm a daddy. I don't know. That was corny. You get what I'm saying. Poke holes in the bottom of the cooled eclairs. Cut the tops on a few of them as well and fill with the chocolate pastry cream. Right here I'm piping almond buttercream on top of my chocolate filled eclairs. You can decorate them with any buttercream you like to. Chantilly cream, peanut butter cream, any flavored cream that you like. But I love my almonds and chocolate, so I made an almond buttercream, and that's what's going on top of mine. You don't have to like it. Now what are you gonna do about it? Just eat chocolate, damn it. Eat chocolate. I cut the sides of the tops to make them look nice and neat. Then I sprinkle them with powdered sugar. Once those are done, it's time to do the other eclairs. The pretty ones, the girly ones. For the other eclairs, I fill most of them with chocolate pastry cream and some of them with the almond buttercream. I then glaze the tops with ganache and started adding my decorations. Right here, I just use some chocolate sprinkles, some cocoa nibs, and of course those golden, dusted, luster, gold, shiny, blingy almonds. Not only just regular almonds, but they're Marcona almonds. Special almonds. Okay, YouTube, here's my final product. Eclairs are so versatile and they can be filled with anything. I really like the way these came out and they are super delicious. In the comment section below, please let me know what your favorite flavor eclair is. I'm curious to know. Please also press the like button and share with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. This channel is all about love of food, and I want to share with you my take on it and learn about yours as well. Thanks for watching. This is the Pastry Warden, signing out. What? Y'all really thought I was going to end the video without tasting one? Check this out. Yum, yum. Chocolate on my fingers. Chocolate, what am I gonna do? Oh, shit.